Alright, so woke up this morning. I think it could have been last night. I think it was last night we realized that the RV was definitely tilted in the back right side, like where the kitchen is. Come to find out this morning, when I was looking at it, we got a flat tire.
So we did have a staple in our tire. It was leaking pretty fast because I took the tire off, filled it up with air. Later on that day, after a few hours, I was already losing pressure on it. I just cleaned it off a little bit. I noticed a staple stuck in it. So I think we've got it here in this part. There's kind of an industrial zone that you have to go through to get here, so I think that's where it happened. Otherwise, we probably would have gotten flat on the road, which is good. Good and bad. Bad that we got it at all, but good that it didn't happen to us while we were on the highway driving. So I took that off, got it repaired at the shop, and I put the spare on here in the meantime. So now I'm gonna swap it back out and put the repaired tire back on here. You should always pick up one of these things. I'll show you in a second, but it's really helpful because this is what you get. This is what comes with the RV, and this thing's garbage. It doesn't work for nothing. It's already bent just for me trying to use it here. So pick up one of these. It's got different sizes depending, because not all of these are the same size. Already loosened the lug nuts. Always want to make sure you loosen the lug nuts while the tire is on the ground, otherwise you'll just, you'll have a bad day of it. Found a good spot on the frame. I had to use my little easy block to lift this up because it gets pretty high. Get the other tire. To readjust this. I don't want too much weight, and I will snap it. That's just what we use for stabilizing. Always good to have a tire pressure gauge that goes up to and over 80 psi for trailer tires. A lot of those little ones you get, they only go up to like, 60 or 70 maybe. I'll just readjust the stabilizer on the back here and we're good to go. Tire fixed, no big deal. Just glad it happened here. Some of these parks, it's not really something you can avoid, but you got a gravel park like this, and it's in an industrial area. Just unfortunate, but it happened. Well, good to go. We leave tomorrow, so ciao for now.